Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drawing tablet for beginners. First, connect your new drawing tablet to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, install the specific drivers from the manufacturer's website. This step is crucial for optimal performance. Then, open the tablet settings and adjust the active drawing area to comfortably match your screen. Finally, personalize the pen pressure sensitivity to suit your drawing style, making sure it feels just right for you. Your drawing tablet comes with a special pen, also called a stylus. Hold it naturally, just like you would a regular pen or pencil. Remember, the pen's tip controls your cursor on the screen, so you don't need to touch the tablet to move it. Many pens have 1 or 2 programmable buttons. These are fantastic for quick shortcuts like undoing a stroke or switching to an eraser. Experiment with hovering the pen about 1/4 inch above the surface to navigate. Now let's dive into some basic drawing techniques. Begin by sketching simple lines and shapes to build muscle memory and coordination. Experiment with varying your pen pressure. A light touch creates thin, faint lines, while more pressure yields thicker, darker strokes. This control is one of the tablet's greatest advantages. Also, learn to use layers in your drawing software. They are incredibly helpful for organizing your work and making edits without affecting other elements. Consistent practice is key to mastering your drawing tablet. Try to dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes each day to drawing exercises. There are countless free online tutorials and vibrant communities where you can find inspiration and learn new techniques. Don't hesitate to experiment with various brushes and tools available in your drawing software. Remember, making mistakes is a natural and valuable part of the learning journey, so embrace them and keep creating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.